Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. I am Vallavi Gaikwad and I am teaching your EVS subject grade 2. So children, open your canopy, term 2, lesson number 2, the animal world. Animal. You name some of the animals which you know. Yes, cow, elephant, lion, tiger. Yes, you know many animals. Then some animals are near your house and many animals where we will found? We will find them in zoo, yes, in zoo. So today we are going to see the animal world. Now what is this animal world? As we know our world is there, we will stay in a world. Okay, human beings are staying in world. In same way there is the world of animals also. Means only where the world where only animals will live. Okay, the animal world. Now see here. Now you are seeing every day in your daily life animals near your house, or when you will go in the zoo, or when you will go in forest, jungle. That time which animals you see? Yes, elephant, lion, tiger in zoo you will see, no? And which animals do you like more? Yes, different animals, different children like different animals. Now see here, see into your textbook. You will find cows, cats, dogs, crow, pigeon, lizards, squirrels and butterflies in and around your house and school. Now see here, where you will find these cows, you know cows, cats, dogs, crows, pigeon, lizard, squirrel and butterfly in and around your house and school. These small animals, cat, dog, squirrel, lizard will be on the wall, in your house on the wall. Cat, dog, it will be at your home also. So these animals you are seeing there around your house and also near your school, isn't it children? Now see, but you will not find lion, tiger, bears or giraffe around your house or school. These animals live in the forest. They are called wild animals. Now see, there are different animals, okay? Some are wild animals. Now do you know what are the wild animals? Yes, which are the wild animals? Yes, lion, tiger, okay? Then giraffe, bear. These animals, why they are called wild animals? Because they are living in the forest. Okay, which animals are living in the forest? They are called as wild animals. Now, this lion, tiger, bear, giraffe, can you keep in your house? If you will keep, what will happen? Yes, everything will be disturbed. So, some animals are there which we can keep in the house or which are staying near our house, near neighbors. But some animals are there which will stay only in the forest. And that animals are called what? Wild animals. Okay? For example, lion, tiger, giraffe, bears, these are the wild animals. Now see here in this picture you can see here. This is a forest. Okay. Here it is. You can see elephant, then monkey, then this is lion. Okay. How they are staying in the forest. You can see here in the picture. Yes. Then see here next. Then people keep some animals at home or on farm. They are called domestic animals. Cows, buffaloes, hens and goats are called domestic animals. Now see here, some animals, what are there? Some animals, people, they will keep them on farm. Okay, which are those animals? cow, buffalo, hen and goat. These are the some animals which we can keep on in the farm, and that are called which? Domestic animals. Okay? Which are domestic animals which are kept on in the farm. For example, cow, buffalo, hens and goats. These are the domestic animals. Then which are the wild animals which live in the forest? For example, lion, tiger, bear, giraffe. These are the wild animals. Okay? And we had seen which are the around our house: cat, dog, crow, pigeon, isn't it? So we shall go through with it. Now see here, repeat after me. You will find cows, C-O-W-S, cows, cats, C-A-T-S, cats, dogs, D-O-G-S, dogs, crow, C-R-O-W-S, crows, pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N-S, pigeons, lizard, L-I-Z-A-R-D-S, lizards, squirrel, S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L-S, and butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-I-E-S, butterflies, in and around, A-R-O-U-N-D, around your house, H-O-U-S-E, house, and school, S-C-H-O-O-L, school. So, what we saw in this first paragraph: cow, cat, dog, pigeon, crows, lizards. These all animals, they are finding where we find them? Near our house or near the school. Okay, then next. But you will not find lions, L-I-O-N-S, lions, tigers, T-I-G-E-R-S, tigers, bears, B-E-A-R-S, bears, or giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E-S, giraffe, around, A-R-O-U-N-D, around your house, H-O-U-S-E, house or school. These animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals live in the forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. They are called wild animals. Now, those animals which are living in forest, they are called as wild animals. For example, lion, tiger, bear, giraffe, they are called wild animals. So, just now we saw those animals which will live near the house, near our house or in our house or in school. For example, cow, cat, dogs, crow, pigeon, lizards, squirrels and butterflies. Okay. Then we also saw wild animals. Wild animals which will live in the forest. For example, lion, tigers, bears or giraffe. Then also we saw domestic animals that which will live, yes, at home or on farm. For example, cows, buffalo, hen and goats. In this picture, you can see here, see how the animals are near the tree. Okay. Then next. So, we get different kinds of food from domestic animals. Cows and buffaloes give us milk. We make curd, butter, paneer, cheese and ghee from the milk. Hens lay eggs which people eat. Some of us eat the meat of hens and goats. Now see what we will do. We will get different kinds of food, okay, from domestic animals. Which kind of food we will get? Like milk, okay, cows and buffaloes, what they give us? Milk. Children, all of you will drink milk, isn't it? You like milk to eat, drink? Yes. So, from milk, what we can make? We can make curd, isn't it? Then butter, paneer, cheese and ghee from the milk. So many things are there which we can prepare from milk. Milk is very nice and good for our health, isn't it? Every day if you will drink the milk, what will happen? You will become very strong. Your bones will also become very strong. So milk is very essential to drink every day. Then hens lay eggs which people eat. Some of us eat the meat of hens and goats. Hens, what we get from the hens? Comedy, you know comedy. See here in the pictures you can see here. See here in picture this is cow. Okay? We will get milk from cow. You can see this man how he is removing the milk from the cow. Okay, then this is sheep. Then this oxen. These hens, what they'll give us? They will give us eggs, isn't it? You will eat no eggs. Anda you call anda in Marathi. Eggs you like to eat. These hens will give eggs and also we can prepare the meat of this hen. Then donkey. Here you can see donkey. See here different animals are there. How they are given here different types of animals. Now see domestic animal help us in other ways too. Oxen, horses and donkeys are used to pull carts. Wool from the sheep is used to make clothes. Now see here you can see this is oxen and this is donkey. These both why they are used? They are used to pull our carts. Means whatever we want to do the work, we can use these animals for that. Okay. On farm and also to carry some load. So we can use this donkey. Then sheep. This sheep, the fur of the sheep we can use to make woolen clothes, isn't it? So we can see how these all animals are very important. Warm clothes. In winter season you will wear sweater, isn't it? That sweater will come from where? It will come from wool, and this wool we will get from the sheep. Okay? Then some people keep dog, cats, rabbit and birds as pets. Pets need a lot of love and care. So you know some are the pet animals also. Pet animals means what? Yes, pet animals means which we can keep in our house, isn't it? And which we can take care of the animals. For example, dog, cats, rabbits, birds and pets. These small animals we can keep in our house and we should love them, we should take the care of them, isn't it? That are called pet animals. So we shall read this. We get different 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 kinds of food from domestic 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 animals ANIMALS animals, cows and buffaloes 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 give us milk milk. We make curd CURD curd, butter BUTTER butter, paneer PANEER paneer, cheese 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 and ghee GHEE from the milk. Hens 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 lay eggs 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 which people 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 eat. Some of us eat the meat, M-E-A-T, meat of hens and goats, G-O-A-T-S, goats. Then domestic animals, D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C. Domestic animals help us in other ways too. Oxen, O-X-E-N, oxen. Horses, H-O-R-S-E-S, horses. And donkeys, D-O-N-K-E-Y-S, donkeys are used to pull carts, C-A-R-T-S, carts. Wool, W-O-O-L, wool from the ship, S-H-E-E-P, ship, is used to make warm, W-A-R-M, warm clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Okay. Now see, we have finished this chapter. So now we can see, choose the correct option. Lion, bears and tigers are wild animals, domestic animals or pet animals. Yes, it is what? Wild animals. Okay, wild animals means which are living in the forest. Okay, then domestic animals which are living in farm, and pet animals which will live in the house. So lion, bears and tiger are what? Wild animals. Okay, so answer is wild. Okay, then next, we get milk, curd, cheese from cows. Choose the correct option. What we get from cows? Yes, milk. What we will get? Milk. We get milk from cows. Then we get meat from bears, lions, goat. From where we will get meat? Goats. Isn't it? We get milk from goat. Then we get cotton, jute, wool from sheep. Okay, what is the answer? Wool. We get cotton, we get wool from the sheep. Then dogs, cruel, make good pets. Dogs. Dogs will make good pets. Okay, now we had seen this. So what we saw in this lesson, there are three types of animals: wild animals, domestic animals and pet animals. So what are wild animals? Wild animals means which will live in the forest, okay? Which are living in the forest, for example, lion, tiger, bear, giraffe. Then also we saw domestic animals. Domestic animals which will live at home or on farm. For example, cows, buffaloes, hens and goats. Okay, they are called domestic animals. Then the animals which will live in our house, they are called pet animals. Okay, we had seen here different types of animals. Now children, take the pencil in your hand and we shall see the next chapter. We shall solve the exercise. Okay. Now from this picture, you can see here, these are the pictures: horse, goat, giraffe, elephant. See here, this is horse. What it is? Horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Then next, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Then next, giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Then elephant. E-L-E-P-H ELEPHANT, elephant. Then deer, DEER, deer. Then bear, BEAR, bear. Then this is donkey, DONKEY, donkey. Then this is zebra, ZEBRA, zebra. Then squirrel, SQUIRREL, squirrel. Then sheep, SHEEP, sheep. Then this is rhinoceros, rhinoceros, RHINOCEROS. Then this is rabbit, RABBIT, rabbit. Then this is parrot, PARROT, parrot. Then this monkey, MONKEY, monkey. Then this is rooster, ROOSTER, rooster. And this is cow, COW, cow. Then this is cat, CAT, cat. Now we saw this all animals. Now what is the questions here? We want to see some can be kept in farms or at home, isn't it? Now look at the picture. Look at these animals carefully. Now just now we had seen each and every animal, isn't it? Now some of them are wild animals. Some can be kept in farms or at homes. Put them in the right column. One has been done for you. Now we want to see here. This is what? Tiger. The tiger is the national animal of India. What is this? Tiger. 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 And what he is the national animal of India. The next is tigers are big wild cats. They have an orange coat with black strips. We can find tigers in India. See here we can see how the tiger is. It is looking like cat, isn't it? The facing is like wild cat. And it has an orange coat. You can see this color, how it is. Coat is this orange coat with black strips. This all you can see. Black strips here. See here all black strips. Isn't it? This is called black strips. And we can find tigers in India. Then tigers hunt and eat the meat of animals like the deer and buffalo. Then the young ones of a tiger is called a cub, CUB. The mother looks after the till they can take care of themselves. Now see the tiger, what it is? Tiger is our national animal. Then how it is? Its color is orange. And also black strips are there on the body. Then he will eat what? Meat. Then also his young ones is called cube, CUB, cube. Then in India there are special places where tigers can live safely. We can visit these places to see tigers. Okay? Just now we saw tiger. Now we shall solve the exercise. Okay. Now giraffe first is done for you. Second, what it is? In zoo who will live? Yes, from this second is monkey. Write down with me, children. Monkey. The next is zebra and deer. These are living in forest. Monkey, then zebra, deer and elephant. Okay, this will live in zoo or forest. Then in farm, sheep, goat, horse, again what it is? Rabbit. Okay. So, which are the animals which we see in the zoo or forest? First is giraffe, Giraffe, giraffe. Then monkey, Monkey, monkey. Then zebra, Zebra, zebra. Deer, deer. Elephant, Elephant, elephant. Then sheep, sheep. These are which we can see at home or on a farm. Sheep, sheep. Goat, goat. Horse, horse. Squirrel, Squirrel. Squirrel. Rabbit, rabbit. Write down this, children. So children, today what we saw? Today we saw lesson number 2, the animal world. In this what we saw? Different types of animals. Which were they? Wild animals, domestic animals and pet animals. Okay? Wild animals means which will live in the forest. For example, lion, tiger, giraffe, bear. Okay? Then domestic animals which we live in the farm, isn't it? For example, cow, buffalo, goat. Then pet animals which will live in house. For example, dog, cat, rabbit. Okay. In this way we had seen the animal world and we also saw the pictures. So we had seen only first exercise. In next period we shall solve other exercise. Okay. Thank you.